बाद जमात शशुम की तालिबा जुनैरा मोहम्मद जफ़र शेख ये आए और अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करें।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. Good morning, everyone. My name is Zunaira. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January, and we are celebrating 75th Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with great pride and happiness. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution of India, Supreme Law of India. Our Constitution is the largest written Constitution in the whole world. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.